Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to switch between different models in Claude on your desktop or browser. To change your model, look at the top left or top center of a new chat window. You will see the name of the currently active model, likely Claude 4.6 Sonnet. Click on that name to open the drop-down menu. From here, you can select your preferred tier. Choose Haiku 4.5 for near-instant responses on simple tasks, or Opus 4.6 if you are a pro user tackling deep research or complex multi-file coding projects. If you need an older version, click More Models at the bottom. Don't ignore the extended thinking mode toggle found here. This allows the AI to use a scratch pad to reason through complex problems step by step before producing a final answer, but it's also take longer time. And that's it. You now know how to pick the perfect brain for any task. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.